afternoon, folks. This is Bronwyn with Big Sky Diamond Painting, and I am here to unbox a few packages that I got today. The first one is sort of diamond painting related. It is from AliExpress, and it is some things that I'm going to be making into diamond painting pens for my giveaway. These are these cool feather shaped pens that are plastic with like this cool jewel on them, and the pen part comes out and it's like the perfect size to glue in a placer of pretty much any size. So I am going to make a rainbow set to signify Pride Month and give it away as the second place prize. So I got a new set because I had given away like the yellow one and the greener one with the last one. So that is the first thing. Just real quick there, not going to take them out of the package because I want to get this one done. I am exhausted. Pride Parade coming up this weekend and lots of prep happening. The other couple of things are some stuff that I have that came from Amazon today. A couple of diamond paintings. One is, you'll probably recognize the tube from Kotart, that pretty sun and sea painting. And then a painting from Tinmi Arts, which is this pretty rose. I saw a finished version of it and I was like, I need to have that. So we'll just do a quick unboxing of these. I hate to break the seal on this, but you know, gotta get it out of here. And I love this pretty tube that they send that in. So yeah, alright, so got everything out of there. Empty tube. It's a little dented on the bottom here, but that's okay. I'll set that aside. We have our inventory sheet. Wonderful. Love this. Nice and big. Our instructions. And this is a 16 by 20 inch. So it's at like a 40 by 50, no, 30 by 40. I don't know, guys. I'm little thank you card from Kotart. Let's unroll this baby. Ooh, they gave me labels. Labels, yay! Of course, the Kotart kit that comes with plenty of wax, baggies, 4 pens with various placers on them. I think it might be a little bit overkill, but hey, I'm not going to say no to more pens. And the thinner bent tweezers, and it looks like 2 green trays with no funnel. So we're going to set that aside, and we'll take a look at the canvas. You just make sure you're in frame here. Yep. Can't really get the whole thing in frame, but I'm pretty excited to do this one. I mean, I really like this style of art, and then, you know, I'm a little bit into like celestial stuff, so I think this is going to look pretty nice. And plus, I've seen, you know, the finished versions of it already, and I was really glad when it came back in stock. It is a round, which if you've seen other unboxings, you probably already know. And these drills look really nice. So I am pretty stoked to do this one. There's those pretty blue colors and everything. Yeah, I'm not going to take the drills out. You're probably used to that. Most of the time I don't. And it does look like a lot of confetti, but I think the end result is going to be worth it. There's the thumbnail again. I guess I'll do a quick... Oh yeah, that's good. Sticky. There's the – 'There's 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 the Just a quick look at those. And then we're just going to set this aside. Because, like I said, I am just going to go real quick through this unboxing because I am exhausted and I have a lot to do tonight. We are also in the middle of interviewing new board members, so I have a lot to do with that, and it's just, I mean, it's just super hectic, guys. But I want to look at my diamond paintings, so I'm getting them unboxed. So here's my one from Tinmi Arts. I saw this one in one of the Facebook groups. It was either Wolfpack or Diamond Painters Anonymous with Rachel Ray and Mrs. Coffee, but I don't recall which one. I saw it finished and gasped out loud, literally, because it looked so good. There. Like, well, you know what, it's not gonna, I'm gonna just get the flap up. Well, so there's the thumbnail. It's a pink rose, and there are ABs, which I think is probably why it looked so good. I found it on Amazon, and it was like 20 bucks, so it wasn't actually that bad price-wise either, which I was really happy with. Not really that much variety in color, but, you know, it is just a pink rose. So we've got, there's the white AB in there, and looks like a pink AB, and lots of red and pink, and that is going to be so gorgeous, and I'm really excited to do it. And do these have, I can't, okay, good, they do, it does look like they have DMC codes on them. So let's, ooh, I can tell already I'm probably going to have to iron this because it's a pretty thick canvas. Like, I can tell from the stiffness of it, and it's been smooshed flat. But I am not really that bothered about it, to be honest with you. Alright, so let's open this bad boy up. Now, it did not come with a kit. I don't think. Is there one hiding in here? No, it does not look like it came with a kit. I do not know if that is normal for Tinmi Arts, but I am okay with it because I do have so many kits. But I will look up to see if that's normal and tell you guys. Let me see if there's like a contents listed. No, there's not. No contents. Anywho, like I said, I will look up to see if it was supposed to come with a kit. But, again, it's not a big deal to me. Good and sticky. And, I mean, this already looks beautiful without even doing anything to it. And actually, you know, I'm thinking I will have to iron it, but it might flatten out pretty decently on its own, because it does, like, it folds up pretty stiffly, but it's actually pretty, like, a fairly pliable type of canvas. So we'll see how it fares after staying spread out in the portfolio for a bit, because that's where I keep all my unfinished canvases, is just in a and a cheap artist portfolio I got on clearance at Michael's. So yeah, I think this is going to be beautiful, and if it doesn't flatten out by the time I'm ready to do it, because this is probably going to be pretty close on my list, I will just give it a quick spritz in an iron. And I mean, this is clothy enough that I know that those wrinkles are going to come right out. And it does look like they've got the glitter in the canvas, which is kind of nice. And it does have training wheels. Hopefully that won't be an issue. It looks like on the pink ones, it's just like a little lighter color inside, but there are some that actually have an outline. So, you know, we'll see. Anyway, that was my quick little unboxing of a couple diamond paintings from Amazon and one of my AliExpress orders. You may know that the sale is going on at AliExpress right now, and I did partake in that sale already, and I'm probably going to buy a couple more things because there were some things that I noticed right before the sale were dropping in price quite a bit, so I went ahead and got those. And you know, I'm gonna get as much as I can afford. You know, never, always got to be careful. So yeah, so you'll have that to look forward to in the next couple months. Well, hopefully just the next month, but you know how it is. Anyway, if you liked this video, go ahead and smash that like button. And if you'd like to see more of my videos, feel free to subscribe. Check out my giveaway. And please remember to be wonderful to each other. And I'll see you on the flip side. Bye.